Hi friends, this video shows how to fix problem of noise when connecting Bluetooth headset. Tap on the settings app icon, then go down, then select system, then select system update. Then check for system update. You can see one system update is available. So this update has fix for this noise issue. You can see fixed the problem of noise when connecting Bluetooth headsets. So just install this software and update. So we can tap on this resume and it will download and install this update. So that way we can fix this issue noise when connecting Bluetooth headsets. Just go to system update and install the software update. Okay, so please try this.